I'm Amber, a writing consultant at OU, and I'm here to tell you a bit about our services. Before we begin, you'll notice QR codes throughout this presentation. These codes go directly to different pages on our website or to different Writing Center resources. Feel free to grab them as we go, or wait until the end to grab the QR code to our overall website. All codes and websites are updated as of August 2024. First, who or what is the Writing Center here at the University of Oklahoma? The OU Writing Center is a pedagogical service, which means that we are here to help writers learn something that they can use in the future. Our consultants do not provide proofreading or editing services. You cannot drop off a paper and get back the fixed version. Instead, we strive to provide feedback that is thoughtful, intentional, and useful. Writing is a process, and we are here to support you throughout that process. Now that you know the goals of the Writing Center, here are some ways that we serve students here at OU. First, we offer individual or group consultations. These can either be 25 or 45 minutes long, and they can be either in person or remote. We offer consultations every day of the week except for Saturdays. During a session, our consultants can help with any aspect of writing in any discipline. Next, we offer multiple workshops each semester. We offer one workshop topic per month and run each workshop twice, once in person and once on Zoom. All you students are welcome at our workshops, although many are designed primarily for graduate writers. Some of our past workshop topics include overcoming writing anxiety, dealing with imposter syndrome, citing in APA and MLA styles, and how to write a research paper. In addition to consultations and workshops, we also offer other events for all students. There are course-specific write nights for both first-year composition and gen ed history courses, as well as non-writing related events like Tasty Tuesdays. For graduate writers, we offer monthly writing retreats. These are independent writing sessions held either in person or via Zoom. These groups provide community for graduate students from any discipline who come together to learn about various writing topics and to work on their writing projects. You can find out more information about all of our services for students on our website, write.ou.edu. Consultations are our most used service, so I want to tell you a bit more about them. We offer several types of consultations. On the left side of this graphic, we have consultations where you do meet with a consultant. These include face-to-face consultations, which are in person, and video chats, which take place online. Video chat sessions are similar to face-to-face, except you do not need to be in Norman for them. On the right side of this graphic, we have options where you do not actually speak with a consultant. These include written feedback appointments and extended read submissions. Both of these options are asynchronous online consultations. This means that you do not meet with a consultant. For written feedback, you upload your paper in advance, and our consultant reads the paper during the appointment time you've scheduled. Then, at the end of the appointment window, they upload the feedback for your review. Extended read appointments are similar to written feedback appointments, but they are for graduate students specifically. Grad students often have papers that are longer than what we can look at in 25 or 45 minutes. For extended reads, grad writers fill out a form on our website and submit their document along with their concerns. Our consultants read and respond within 3 business days. We ask that extended read papers be limited to around 3,000 words, which is about 12 pages. No matter what kind of appointment you prefer, we encourage you to make an appointment in advance so that you know when a consultant is ready and waiting for you. In addition to the services I've discussed for students, we also have ways we can assist instructors as well. The Writing Center offers informational class visits where consultants can visit a class either in person or virtually. Consultants tell students what kind of services we offer and provide other general information about the Writing Center. Instructors are also welcome to work with our office manager to bring their class to the Writing Center space in Wagner Hall for a visit. We also offer in-class workshops based on availability. An instructor can request a workshop on a topic related to writing, which will then be delivered in person by the Writing Center to their class. Instructors can find out more information about these 2 services on our website. Please note, the OU Writing Center does not offer feedback on faculty or instructor writing. Instructors and facility members should contact the Center for Faculty Excellence for assistance with their own writing projects. Finally, we also have resources available for everyone on our website. These include citation guides for 3 of the major styles, MLA, APA, and Chicago, as well as other handouts. We have a YouTube channel with video content. You could watch our Parts of Speech series there or find out more about how to use Google Voice-to-Text, for example. We also have videos with tips for navigating WC Online, our scheduling platform. We are always adding new content to our resources, so be sure to check back often. We want to make sure that everyone knows the OU Writing Center is open to students in all disciplines and majors for any class with any kind of writing. Biology, English, philosophy, computer science, engineering, history, first-year writing, theses, and dissertations in any field. We will help with all types of writing in any discipline. Finally, we want to make sure you know where to find the Writing Center. We offer services in multiple locations and on campus at different times. As of fall 2024, we have 2 physical locations on campus. You can find us in Wagner Hall and in Bazell or online. Generally, we are open during the day, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and on Fridays from 9 to 1 in Wagner Hall, room 280. We also have additional evening hours on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, starting in week 3 of the semester. Our weekday evening hours are from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and all take place in Bazell Library, lower level 1, room 121. On Sundays, we have evening consultations that are online only, so written feedback or video chat only. Those can take place on Sunday nights from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The Writing Center is closed on Saturdays for consultations. Make sure to check out our website or scheduling platform for our most up-to-date hours. I hope that this video has been helpful, and we look forward to working with you at the Writing Center soon. If you have any questions or concerns, or wish to schedule an appointment or see our events calendar, head to our website at write.ou.edu. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X at OU Writes. Let's give credit where credit is due. This document was created by Dr. Ashton Foley-Schramm, Associate Director at the University of Oklahoma's Writing Center. Created 2024 under Creative Commons License BY-NC-SA. This license allows reusers to distribute, remix, adapt, and build upon the material in any medium or format for non-commercial purposes only, and only so long as attribution is given to the creator. If you remix, adapt, or build upon the material, you must license the modified material under identical terms. This presentation was narrated by Amber Durst.